how to make a Word document in your mobile on an Android and iPhone. Now the easiest way to do this is to download Microsoft 365 Office. It's free on both the Android and the iPhone, and once you have it downloaded, open the app up, then select Create and then select Word. Then you want to press this big plus here to create a blank document. Now you can create the document you wish. You can really customize it however you want. Once you've completed a document, press Done in the top left hand corner. Now press Save. Now you can rename your document and select the location where you want to save it. Then press Save and you'll have successfully made a Word document in your mobile, and that'll work on both Android and the iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.